Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session, we will see how to combine two different sets in Tableau. In the last session, we have seen what are set, then we discussed two different types of set, that is static and dynamic set, and how to create each one of them. If you haven't watched the previous video, then I encourage everyone to watch that video first. You will find the link of that video in the top right corner, and I have also shared the link of that video in the description below. Now let's jump to Tableau and see how to combine two different sets. First, we will create a set to see top 5 subcategories based on sales. Drag subcategory to the column shelf, then drag sales to the row shelf. We will create a set using the subcategory dimension. So click on the drop down, go to create, click on set, then click on top. Select this by field radio button. We want to see top 5 subcategories based on sales. Here we will write down 5. Now click on OK. Drag this subcategory set that we have created to color. Bars highlighted with blue color are the subcategories with the highest sales. Let me arrange these bars in descending order. So you will see that these blue bars are the top 5 subcategories that have the highest sales. Now let's suppose we want to see those subcategories that have the highest sales and also they have the highest profit in the same chart. For that we will make use of combined set. Create one more set using the subcategory dimension. Click on the drop down, go to create set. Let's name it subcategory set profit. Go to top. Here click on by field radio button, and in this drop down we will select profit and write down 5. Click on OK. Now let me drag this new subcategory set that we have created to color. Remove the previous subcategory set and drag this new profit set that we have created using the subcategory dimension. These subcategories that are highlighted in blue color are those subcategories that have the highest profit. Lastly, to highlight those bars in this bar chart which have both the highest sales and the highest profit, we will create a combined set using these two sets that we have created. One is the subcategory set based on sales and another one is subcategory set based on profit. Keep this thing in mind that only set created on the same dimension can be combined. So both my sales set and the profit set are created on the same dimension, that is subcategory. So select the first subcategory set, press Ctrl on the keyboard and select the second set. Click on this drop down, click on create combined set. Let's name it combined set. We want to see subcategories that are present in both the sales and the profit set. So we will select this second option, that is shared members in both set. Click on OK. Now remove this profit set from color and drag this combined set to color. Here we have those subcategories that have both the highest sales and the highest profit, that is phones and the binders subcategory. So out of 5 subcategories that have highest sales and 5 subcategories that have highest profit, only these two subcategories are those subcategories that have both the highest sales and the highest profit. Now let me explain you the meaning of different options that we have. Here you will observe that first set is the profit set and the second set is the sales set. Let me select this first radio button where it will show all the members in both the sets. Click on OK. Here the 5 subcategories that have highest sales are highlighted with blue color, and the 5 subcategories that have the highest profit are also highlighted in blue color. Let me create a new sheet and show you what all are the subcategories with the highest sales and the highest profit. Let me arrange these bars in descending order of sales. So in case of sales, these 5 are the subcategories with the highest sales: phones, chairs, storage, tables, binders. So phones, chairs, storage, tables and binders are the 5 subcategories that are having the highest sales. Then let me drag the profit subcategory set. So phones, binders are already highlighted as they are having the highest sales. Then accessories, copiers and paper. Accessories, copiers and paper are the other 3 subcategories with the highest profit. So by selecting the first radio button, this all the members are highlighted with blue color that are either having the highest profit or the highest sales. We have already seen this second option that will only give us the common subcategories between these two set. Now let me select this third radio button where we will get the subcategories that have highest profit, and the common subcategories will not be included. Subcategory set profit except shared members. Let me click on OK. Now you will observe that phones and the binder subcategory are not highlighted with blue color because we have selected the third option where it will not include the common members between both the set. Only the subcategories with the highest profit will be highlighted with blue color. Now let me edit this set again. Click on edit set. Now what this fourth radio button will do is it will only give us the subcategories that have highest sales and excluding the common subcategories. So by selecting the third option, the subcategories with the highest profit excluding the shared members was selected. Now just observe that these three: chairs, storage and tables will be highlighted with blue color. Let me click on OK. So now chairs, storage and tables are the subcategories that have highest sales, and excluding the phones and the binders subcategory, because phones and binders are the common subcategories between both the highest sales and the highest profit set. That is why these two subcategories are being excluded and we are only seeing the subcategories with the highest sales. So in this way you can make use of any of these 4 options that we get while creating a combined set. Let me select this shared members in both the set radio button because we wanted to see only these subcategories with highest sales and highest profit. So now we have the answer to our questions that phones and the binders subcategory are performing best because they are generating high profit as their sales are also highest. So this was all that I had to cover in this session. I encourage everyone to explore combined set using their own data sets. I hope this session was helpful. Do not forget to click on the thumbs up button if you like this session. See you in the next tutorial.